Morning. I'm here at the Fort Mountain State Park in Chatsworth, Georgia. Um, Family's still sleeping at the cabin we rented. Just got here yesterday, so I thought I'd go out. It's a beautiful morning, and hit up the little nature trail right down the road from our cabin before we get exploring around in the general area. So it's supposed to be a nice little overlook and pretty little waterfall. So if you would, why don't you come along with me? And we're going to hit the trail. And that's the that's the little trail marker. We'll be following orange blazes, so let's go. Or yellow, whatever. I guess they're yellow. It's a real pretty morning. It's not very humid yet. Cool. A lot of little birds chirping. This is the first time we've been to this park, so don't know much about it. There's an 800-foot long stone wall top of the mountain that kind of predates recorded history, so we're anxious to check that part of it out. And, an old CCC fire tower at the top of the mountain too that I'd like to go see. But, it's just a nice morning for getting out. So it's been a pretty good trail so far, very wide, well maintained. Doing some downhill now. There's a little stream bed. Check it out. Oh yeah. Yeah, just a little trickle of a stream bed. Okay. And get back on the main trail here. And downhill we go. Oh, looks like a little footbridge coming up. That we will not be taking. That's part of a longer trail that I'm not doing this morning. So we're just going to continue on. We can go check it out though. Alright, and I am heading that way, so looks like there might be some views up around the bend there, and if so, I'll show them to you. Alright, I don't think the camera's going to pick this up very well, or it doesn't look at it through the viewfinder, but got some little glimpses of the valley below. See if I can zoom in on them. Bet you this would be a pretty, yeah, there it is, down in there, see? It's the only view so far. Like I was saying, I bet you this would be a pretty hike in the fall. And I know I say that about a lot of things. Fall's my favorite season, so I always just look ahead whenever I'm out on the trail and wonder what it would be like in the fall with the colors. So, but we're going to continue on and see what's down the trail. Okay, I found this little view just a few feet from where I turned the camera off just a few minutes ago, and I can hear water down below me, so I must be nearing the falls. But this is the view from my little rocky outcrop I just found, and then some more part of the mountain back that way that's not coming up very good. Sure beats just sitting around the cottage waiting for people to wake up, huh? Okay, I think I'm coming up on the little waterfall. Pretty rocky through here, so it's gonna be bouncy steps, sorry. Well, that must be it. There he goes, on down the mountain. The G comes alive in the spring now. And I'm just a little bit above the falls, and looks like the trail here is just gonna follow that little stream for a ways. I'm pretty going through all the rocks and stuff along it, so there's our blazons. Another little section of could be falls when the water's up. Pretty water. And little set of steps going up. Looks like remnants of some information sign. Sunrise over the mountain. And looks like another footbridge. Again, that we won't be going on. And we're heading this way. Rhododendron's starting to flower out. Or has been, looks like. Alright folks, looks like we've reached the dam for the little lake here at the park. And that being said, I just parked right at the other end of the dam. So that's probably going to finish this trail off. And just wanted to thank you for coming along with me on this little mini adventure. And we'll see y'all in the woods.